Hey guys, it's Emily. As many of you know, I struggle with acne, and that's why I'm so excited to share with you the bareMinerals Blemish Rescue Anti-Redness Mattifying Primer. This product is so amazing because it combats redness, fights that acne that you and I both hate, nourishes the skin, all while still prepping that skin for makeup. That's why I love this primer. It really helps to calm, clear, and cover my acne-prone skin. It has a silky gel-like texture with natural ingredients like chamomile to soothe, arnica to calm and nourish. What I really love is it has a subtle green tint to neutralize redness, and it's really light and transparent. It's made with a blemish-busting mineral complex to gently exfoliate the skin, absorb excess oil, and helps purify the skin. It's really easy to apply. Simply take a small amount in your hands and apply all over the face. As you can see, my skin looks so much calmer. My pores look smaller, and my skin is matte and perfectly primed for makeup. Pair Blemish Rescue Primer with Skin Clearing Loose Powder Foundation. It's the only powder foundation that treats acne while keeping skin nourished and hydrated.